Hello everyone. Today, we're going to talk about AAE files. What are they? And more importantly, how do you open them on Windows 11? Let's dive right in and figure this out. AAE files aren't actually images. They are sidecar files used by Apple's Photos app. These files store edits you've made to your photos on iPhones and iPads. They contain information about adjustments like brightness, contrast, and filters. They ensure that your original photo remains untouched. Think of them as instructions for how to display your photos with edits. Now, the big question, how do you open them in Windows 11? The truth is, you can't directly open an AAE file to view it like an image. Windows image viewers won't recognize the format. However, there are several ways to work with them. First, the easiest way is simply to ignore them. If you transfer the original photo along with the AAE file, your Windows Photo Viewer will display the original, unedited photo. The AAE file won't affect anything. Second, if you want to see the edits, you need to import the photos back into an Apple device. If you have an iPhone, iPad, or Mac, simply transfer the photo and its corresponding AAE file back. The Photos app will automatically recognize the AAE file and apply the edits to the photo. Third, you can use a third-party image editor that supports AAE files. Some advanced photo editing software may be able to read and apply the edits stored in the AAE file. However, this is not a guaranteed solution, and support for AAE files in third-party software can be limited. Fourth, if you really want to apply the edits on Windows, the most reliable method is to apply them manually. Open the original photo in a photo editor like Adobe Photoshop, GIMP, or Paint.net. Then, use the AAE file as a guide. You can open the AAE file in a text editor like Notepad. You'll see a list of edit parameters. Use this information to adjust the settings in your photo editor to match the edits. It's a bit of work, but it gives you the most control. Remember that deleting the AAE file means losing the edits. So, if you want to preserve your edits, keep the AAE file with the corresponding photo. To summarize, you can't directly view AAE files on Windows 11. Your best options are to ignore them, transfer the photo back to an Apple device, or manually replicate the edits in a photo editor. So there you have it. Now you understand AAE files and how to deal with them in Windows 11. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Also, consider subscribing for more useful tips and tricks. Your support helps us create more content like this. Share this video with anyone who might find it useful. See you in the next video.